Good morning everybody. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial today I am going to show you all about one interesting game called Accessible Fun. It is accessible for talkback users. You can suspend the talkback to play this game. Yes, are you curious? Yes, let us start the tutorial. Keep watching the tutorial up to the end to get the benefit and to make better use of this. Okay, now I am going to open the app called Accessible Fun Game. You can open or you can download from the Play Store. This app is available in Play Store, Accessible Fun. Since I have installed, I will open from my screen. Okay, I got the app called Accessible Fun. I am clicking on Accessible Fun. I am pressing double tap.
Remember that in order to play, you have to suspend the talkback. You can pass the instructions by touching the screen twice.
In order
Select a game.
to play this game, you have to suspend the talkback. As I mentioned earlier, now I am suspending my talkback. Yeah, I have turned off the talkback by holding the volume button up and down in 10 or 5 to 10 seconds. Now let us see what are all the different games are there. This app is consists of 4 games in it. Let me touch on top left of my screen. I am touching top left.
The Seeker.
The Seeker is the first game. Again, in same way I am touching in opposite direction. It means top right to my screen.
Inside the stone.
Inside the stone, that is the second game. Again in opposite way, top left and top right we have completed since we got the 2 games. Now I am touching on bottom left to my screen.
A Forest Adventure.
A Forest Adventure is the third game, and one more game is available. Let us see that. What is that game?
A Memory Game.
A memory game, that is the fourth game. We have 4 games in one app. You can install this app to reduce your memory. Instead of installing 3 or 4 apps to play the game, instead of that you can install one app to play these 4 games. Now let me select the first game, that is
The Seeker.
The Seeker. In this game you have to, there are 8 levels. In each level there will be different challenges the app will throw. You have to overcome the challenges. Example, in level 1 there is a balloon, means you have to locate the balloon, means you have to touch hold this one, keep your finger on the screen, just slide, move your fingers towards right, left, hold, drag your finger, then the vibration will be stronger, then you can think that the balloon is nearby, then you can lift the finger, then it will shoot. Similarly, let us start how to play. As the game progress, I will explain you all.
Now you can choose from the completed levels.
Now you can choose from the completed levels. Since I have completed and I have cleared all the levels, there is a different levels up to 8 as I mentioned earlier. I am selecting
2.
level 2. I am selecting.
2. Following the buzz, locate the fly. Keep in mind that the buzz will get stronger as you get closer to the fly.
Yeah, following the bus, locate the fly. Now I am swiping, means I am keeping my finger on screen, dragging nearby. It is coming nearby only. Let me see. No, it is far from my, again swipe nearby, it is coming. Like this you can slide your fingers or you can use your fingers to just keep your fingers and slide up. I am sliding. I did not get till now. Yeah, nearby it's coming. Yeah, we have cleared the level 2.
Just completed level 2.
Now we are moving to level 3.
Not letting the background music distract you. Follow the balloon, sensing the vibrations. Let's play.
Yeah, balloon game this is. We have to locate the balloon by listening the music. Vibration is very strong.
You are missing 9 balloons.
Yes, one balloon is gone. Let us see how many balloons are remaining. Still we have 9. I am playing again. I am in second balloon. Just you have to keep your finger. Till now I did not got the balloon. I am searching for it. Vibration is very strong here on my screen. I am swiping. I am not able to locate the balloon. Where is the balloon? I am searching for it. Yeah, I got the balloon.
8 balloons.
Yeah, still we have 8.
You
Yeah.
are missing 7.
Still I have 7 balloons to move to advance to next level.
You are missing 6 balloons.
Still I have 6 balloons. Still I am swiping.
You
Yes,
are
I got the
missing
balloon.
5 balloons.
Still I have 5 more balloons to it, and to advance to next level, let me again keep my finger on the screen and swipe or drag. Yeah, I got the balloon.
4 balloons.
Still I have 4 more to go. 4 chance. Let me see how I will face this. Yeah.
You are missing 3 balloons.
Yes, since only 3 remaining friends, already 7 balloons gone to move to next level.
You are missing 2 balloons.
Yes, 2 more is remaining.
You are missing 1 balloon.
Wow, only 1 balloon is remaining now to advance to next level. Let me see I can find the balloon or not. I am swiping or I am sliding the finger in my on the mobile screen. Balloon, where is the balloon? I am searching for it. Yeah, I got. Yeah, very good. I have moved to next level.
Completed level 3. Level 4. Even with the background music on, try to locate the fly. Prove that you can.
In this level, I have to locate the flies with the background music. To show you all, this is the last level I am playing. I want to show still 2 more games in this Axable Fun game.
You are missing
9 more flies are there.
You are missing 8 flies.
Yes, 8 remaining friends. Let me see.
You are missing
Yes,
7 flies.
7 more flies. Let me see. Just you have to slide on the screen. I am not able to locate. Let me see. Yeah, I got it.
Missing 6 flies.
Yes, I am again. 6 more are there. Just I am keeping finger on my mobile screen to locate the fly. Yeah, I got it.
Missing 5
Yes,
flies.
only 5 more chance to advance to next level. Let me see.
You are
Only 4
missing
runs remaining
5
to advance
flies.
to next level. It's nearby. Let me see. Yeah, I got
Missing
it.
3 flies.
Just you have to keep the finger on the screen. Just drag. You will feel very enjoy to play this game if you wear earphones. Yeah, I got it.
Missing 2 flies.
Just 2 more flies are remaining to advance to next level. Where is the fly? Fly, come on.
You are
Only one
missing
remaining
1
now,
fly.
guys. You can also play and enjoy like me. Last one more. Let me see. I will go to next level or I will come out of this game only. I got it. Now move to next
Congratulations.
level.
You've just completed level 4.
Yes, I am.
5.
Okay, I am.
In this level, you have both balloons and flies. Try to catch at least 10. Prove
Okay,
that you can.
I am
I am
closing
looking
this
for my
balloon.
wallet and buy the donation version in Play Store so I can make more games and applications for blind people. Thank you.
I have closed the app. Now let us see the next game. Yeah, I am opening again the accessible fun game. Okay, I will suspend the talkback.
Remember that in order to
I
win,
am
you have to
tapping
suspend the
twice
talkback.
to skip the
If you're
instructions.
instinct,
Okay,
please
the
select
next game is
a forest adventure.
Forest Adventure. In this game, you have to find the lock
Lost
and
in the
key.
great
Listen
forest.
the instructions.
Find the key and then find your house. Be careful with dangers and beasts. This game is different from the previous ones. Now it's like a board of 100 squares. 10x10 the entire cell phone screen is a single box. You start in a locker and when you advance you pass to another. Slide your finger in a direction to walk.
Yeah.
Your adventure begins.
Okay, let me slide my finger to start the adventure.
Which is your starting point?
I am moving.
You are going to the north. To the south is the beginning. You are going to the north. You are going to the north. To the north there are very high rocky mountains.
Oh,
You will not
oh,
be able to go through the mountains.
I got the mountain in the north. Let me move to opposite direction to find the key.
Advance. You suspect that the key is not around here.
Okay.
Follow your instincts and look elsewhere. To the
Okay.
north there are very high rocky mountains.
Wow, again rocks are there. It's announcing that there is no key here. I am moving again to opposite direction.
You are going to the west. To the north there are very high rocky mountains. You are going to the west. A voice inside tells you that you are going to the wrong side. To the north there are very high rocky mountains. You will not be able to go through the mountains. You will not be able to go through the mountains. You are going to the south. You are going to the north. To the north there are very high rocky mountains.
Just you have to slide the finger.
You are going to the south. You are going to the north. You are going to the north. You feel that you are moving away from the key. Try to change course. To the north there are very high rocky mountains. suspect that the key is not around here. Follow your instincts and look elsewhere. You are going to the north. To the west there is a wolf that starts to run towards you. To the east there are very high rocky mountains. You are going to the west. You feel that you are moving away from the key. Try to change course. The wolf jumps on you and bites your neck very hard. The loss of blood quickly makes you lose consciousness. Instantly other wolves come and they will owe you, leaving only your bones.
Tap the screen to play again.
Yeah, this how you can play this game. This is the second game we have seen in this app. Let me turn on talkback and to open one more game in this. Basically in this game you have to locate the key and open the door, and you have to be in your home. This is the forest. We have played this game so far. Now let us see one more game. Okay, again I am opening the app called Accessible Fun. In this we have seen two. Again we are going to see one more, and last game you can explore and share your comments so that I will be able to help you how to play that one more game in this Accessible Fun app. I am skipping the instructions.
To play, you can pass the instructions by touching the screen twice.
Yeah, again third game, top right I am touching screen.
Inside the storm.
Inside the stone. In this game you have to pass the water, means you should not go near the water, you have to go away the water, or else you will fall into water. The water will be around you. You should not go in the water. As the sound or drops you will hear, you have to move, or the vibration you feel it will be very strong vibration, then you have to move to opposite direction. Let us play and see. Yes, game is going to start. Let us listen.
You're going back home in the rain. Avoid the water. When a big drop gets closer, it will vibrate faster to the touch.
Yeah,
Ready?
let us start this. One chance lost.
Oh no.
Only two more chance remaining.
All over yourself. So let's start again. Let's go.
I lost the second chance also.
You spill the water all over yourself. So let's start again.
You should not go near the water. You have to escape from the water.
You are missing 7 drops.
Yeah, still 7 drops we have. Like this you can play. I am sliding. Oh, I lost the chance. I have fall into water.
You spilled the water all. Sorry, you've lost your 3 chances.
This how you can play this game. I am going to home screen. Yeah, this how you can play this game. It will be very fun to, you have to go away from the water and locate the drops. The if you hear the drops more, the vibration will be very strong to touch that drops. You have to slide. You have to keep your finger on the screen to slide left, right to locate the drop. This how the third game in this app. The fourth is, okay, again I am opening the Accessible Fun game.
Remember that in order to play, you can pass the instructions by touching the screen.
Okay, what is this last game? This is the memory game.
Please select a game. A memory game.
Yeah, this is the memory game you can play. There will be different drum sounds and different piano sound. There will be different instrument sound. Basically you have to match that sounds, then only you will get the points. Okay, you can, if you have any doubt on these 3 games and explore the 4th game, if you have anything you can comment.